Okay, we're still at the Millam residence. We're on the back side now. We're gonna attempt a repair on this side. I had a body outline here of where wind damage shingle was at. Already pulled it out. The shingle on the back side is actually the same size as the shingle that we brought to replace with. So I'm going to attempt to do this one with my cordless nailer instead of my roofing hatchet. Just see if we have any difference there. The roof also is a 2-layer. We discovered that. Maybe why there's the 2 different sizes of shingles. So we ran into a little bit of issue here on this wind crease shingle here. Was actually tied into all the mastic and stuff on this pipe flashing. As I tried to remove this, it damaged this overlying shingle, so this one would need to be replaced too, but just for demonstration. Same thing here, I have to have my gun 90 degrees to the deck. So just first look at that, I think the nail gun may be a little bit more aggressive than if I was hand nailing it. I'd have to probably manipulate that shingle a little bit more, but you can see obvious creasing and degranulation. We had this here where I was trying to separate that shingle and my pry bar went through there, so I don't think it necessarily matters whether it's the front or the back. Say this roof is not repairable. If you have any questions, please let us know. Thank you.